In this video, I'll be comparing Linux Mint versus Arch Linux. I'll go through what each distro is built for, their core features, how they feel to use, and who they are best suited for. So first I'll go over what they do and who they are for. So Linux Mint is a Ubuntu-based distro designed for ease of use, stability, and familiarity. It comes preloaded with multimedia codecs, drivers, and a polished desktop environment. Recommended for beginners or anyone who wants a system that just works with little setup. Arch Linux, by contrast, is the do-it-yourself distro. You start with a bare minimum installation and build everything yourself. Desktop, drivers, services, and packages using the Arch wiki as your guide. It's aimed at advanced users who want complete control and don't mind a steep learning curve. Now go over some core features. So Linux Mint offers three main desktop flavors: Cinnamon, Mate, and XFCE. It also has an update manager and driver manager for hassle-free maintenance, time shift integration for easy system snapshots and rollbacks, and strong focus on stability with Ubuntu LTS foundations. Arch Linux offers rolling release model with the latest kernel and packages, full access to the Arch user repository for thousands of community-built packages, the Pacman package manager, fast and reliable, and you get total freedom to build a system exactly how you want it from the ground up. So Linux Mint feels polished and welcoming. After installation, everything works: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, media playback, Office Suite, and more. It's especially appealing to users coming from Windows, since Cinnamon looks and behaves in a familiar way. Updates are stable, conservative, and rarely break things. Arch Linux feels fast, minimal, and streamlined because it only has what you choose to install. But the workflow is hands-on. You will spend time in the terminal, editing configurations and keeping up with rolling updates. The payoff is ultimate control and a deeper understanding of how your system works. So basically, Mint is a set it and forget it system, whereas Arch is a build it and maintain it system. So which one should you choose? First, I would go with Linux Mint if you want a stable, easy-to-use desktop Linux that works out of the box, if you prefer a familiar Windows-like interface with minimal setup, or if you value reliability and simplicity over bleeding-edge software. On the other hand, I would choose Arch Linux if you enjoy building systems from scratch and learning how Linux works under the hood, if you want cutting-edge software, rolling updates, and total control, or if you don't mind troubleshooting, maintaining, and customizing through the terminal. So that concludes this comparison of Linux Mint versus Arch Linux. If this comparison helped you make a decision, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.